It's my third time in Cannes and I always come to attend the film festival. This means that I spend all my time at the venue or in the theaters. It is truly a unique experience of being a part of something that big.
I said I don't even need one bodyguard. Believe me, I don't need one. I don't have a bodyguard. I don't know, how to have a in home. I never have a bodyguard. They said you will need 9 bodyguards. I needed maybe a dozen the first time I came here because in the olden days, I don't know, there wasn't the same security, so all the barriers weren't there, and people would just the cameras were shoved up like this, It was insane. And
During the festival, the most interesting moments happen at the palace, including all the premieres and Cannes fashion at the red carpet. While all eyes are on branded dresses, I still think that Cannes is a beautiful city worth dedicating time to. I might not even know the best places to visit there, but one of the main highlights for me personally is the seashore. There is a reason this part is called French Riviera, as the coastline is truly stunning. You can also spot a couple of expensive hotels right on Boulevard de Croisette. It is also the main street in Cannes and the hub of the most expensive shops. If you're attending the film festival, a pro tip from me is find some time and go to the beach because, always the schedule is pretty tight. But it's absolutely worth it. The beach is just gorgeous. Usually it's a bit chilly to swim in May, so probably I'm not sure. Like it depends on the weather. It's been pretty rainy these days, but anyway, it's just worth taking time and connecting with nature. The last day started pretty early for me as I wanted to film a short video to take part in a competition from the festival. In Cannes, everything reminds you of its film legacy as these beautiful murals. My favorite spot in Cannes is a hill with this Notre-Dame church that opens a view of the city. It is about a 15 minutes walk from the palace to the bottom of the hill, and then you will need to go up a little. During the day it gets pretty hot and tourists out there, but if you go early enough in the morning you can enjoy some mild sun and lack of people. you're interested to explore the area, there is also an art museum nearby. This time I didn't visit it though. Returning to the murals, you can find several of them in the city. They feature the great figures of French and international cinema. Check a link in the description to read more about each one and find out the addresses. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.